So, now if you can see me, here you go. So, I'll show you the whole drill. Go ahead and tape me, and then I'll tape you.
It's already taping.
Yeah, I turned it on. So the idea here is that the first piece is the ground ball. And when we do the ground ball, top hand on the throat, back hand here, this arm straight. And the motion, I'll do it next to the ball. You bring your foot up next to the ball, and here's the ball, but I can do it right next to it, is driving through. So that this bottom hand, at the top, your top hand won't be on the ground. It'll be like this. But then as we drive through, the bottom hand will hit the ground. That's where your bloody knuckles comes from. So, like this, up here in cradle. And now if my defender's right here on me right-handed, what you're going to do, you're going to come to this point, stop lefty, reach around with the right leg, switch to lefty, and shoot. Now I'll show that in pieces because what you're going to do is you're going to come this way. You got to get past the halfway point of the goal because if I'm turning to shoot lefty, I may not have the angle right here. So I'm running up here, I'm looking for someone to pass to. If no one does, stop my motion right here, keeping my stick vertical, and then at the same, I'm going to do two things at once after this first. This is step one. Step 2 and 3 are together. 2 with my right leg is to go step out this way. The farther you can turn your foot, see how my foot is turned there? You're young and flexible. That foot's going to tell me where I'm going to shoot. But at the same time I do that, I'm going to switch my stick to lefty. And when you switch, the bottom hand stays on, top hand comes over the top. And now I have to follow through with shoulder, hips, and arms because my momentum, as I'm turning this way, if I start to shoot right now, it's going to come towards you. To get it in there, I have to follow through, bend my legs, and shoot. All right? So, go ahead and hand me the camera. And you do it without your gloves, so you can just start going right away. Here's the ball. Okay, now, go show me. Real slow. Step up to the ball. Freeze. Yes, good. Your back elbow is totally straight. Now get low. Bend your knees. Get your helmet low. There you go. You want to get hit in the helmet. Drive through. Backhand gets bloody. There you go. Okay, now jog this way. Okay, now you're past about the halfway point. There you go. That's step 1. Step 1 is with your left leg. Now switch and step around with your right leg. Yes. Now follow through. That was perfect. Now if you practice that with a tennis ball, you can practice somewhere in the backyard where you might not break stuff. If you have a goal, go for it. But then pretty soon you go from practice just walking through, and then as you do it 3/4 speed, you'll find you have to relearn because the ball will come wide. It takes time. But what you're trying to do is make sure that when you follow through, your shoulders, your hips, and your arms, everything follows through almost farther, almost like you're shooting to the far side of the goal because you have to be able to rotate through, okay? So I want you to practice that, and then you'll be both a right-handed and a left-handed demon, all right? All right, thanks, Xander. All right, put your gloves on.